Hello, Gail. Eric Larson with the Magic Push Button Software. I had mentioned that this social media software is a tool, and it's designed to convert prospects into clients. So when you keep it in perspective as to what it does and why it's good, it's like a great tool that you would work on a car. It would almost be impossible to work on a car without it. This tool will kind of semi-automate your marketing efforts to convert mostly online clients and offline clients that need an online presence. So, you know, somebody that's looking to put clients into their system or on their list so they can do Facebook for them or create a YouTube channel or build websites or whatever, can use this to get their attention. And basically, when I say semi-automates, it also stores all the records, 5,000 records of people that you market to, so you can market other services over and over until the client hopefully bites and takes your offer. So this is the faceplate that when you open the software looks like this. You can see there's buttons for YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, mobile, blogs, QR codes, Google Places, SEO. Special button is for different marketing things that we can do. There's a view or change your personal information. Here's where you enter your own information. The magic push button will create a web page when you hit this. Based on the information that you input, it would create a web page that's customized to the client that you're marketing to. So it will have his name on it, his business name on it. You can decide on what work you want to offer. And you can even create your own web pages, the base page, and the rest of it's created through short codes. This system works on a short code system. And again, it holds 5,000 records. So let's say you start out by marketing to somebody or in a restaurant business, a Facebook page. They don't bite. You can go to QR codes, SEO work from blogs. They don't have a blog. You can build a blog from, etc. And you'll know what you've marketed to them before in the storage area. You'll be able to see all the records. So let's go over how the software works and create a page for you so you can see it. Right now, I'm giving it away, Gail, to all your subscribers for free for a limited time. And, basically we're going to be starting a new marketing program. So I want to get some testimonials or some references or, little feedback on the software. That's why I'm doing this. And, I've sold this for as much as $92. I've sold hundreds and hundreds of them. And I've had over 35,000 visitors to the webpage seeking information about this product. So it is tested, it's proven, it works, people love it, and I think it will be a great bonus for all of your subscribers today. So let me go over this real quick, and I want to mention also there's 2 PDFs and a training video inside, along with other content and tools and resources that's in this button right here. And your clients get that also for free, all your subscribers. So I'm going to kind of go over the basics here, but you'll get more training, inside the software. When you email a client, essentially it works like this. Let's say you're going to market someone a Facebook page. Okay, you go to their website, you see they're not using Facebook. You're going to send them an email, and it says, Mr. Jones, I see something's missing on your web page. I don't see a Facebook fan page, or whatever you want to write on there. We may be able to help you. I created a special web page just for you. Take a look at it here. And when they click the link, they'll go to the page that you're going to create here today. And basically, it's a web page designed to market to him and him only, because his name's on it, his company name's on it, his video's on it, etc. Okay, this is the email button you would hit for that. The support button for any support issues you have. And the WSO show is currently a marketing funnel system that I'm putting together for my clients also. You can check that out. Let's just say we're going to do a Facebook page to somebody's restaurant. So the first thing I would do is click on this here, would open this variable right here, and I've created the base pages for all of these blue buttons, but certainly you can create your own, and I can teach you how to do that too. It's done with short codes and some plugins on a WordPress blog. But I use the name localgoldvideo.com, and the page name is depending on what you're going to market. So in order to find out how you design each page, you would go first into tools and resources. It would open a button. It would have tools, training, and resources. And we're going to skip the training and the tools for now. Go right to resources. Click on. Okay, and you'll see here the resources page. It says your page names right here. Okay, And that's how you determine how to program those blue buttons. So you just click on this, and you'll see the different page names for each page. Each button is right here. And you see there's no special button there because we can use it for anything. So Facebook, okay, right here for the Facebook button. You see that? That's the blue Facebook button. It's just called Facebook, lowercase. All right? So that's what we need. When you see here, the domain name that we're using for these pages I created is Local Gold Video. Everybody will use that and customize your own page unless you create your own with your own domain and blog, etc. Okay? So go back to the software, and that's again localgoldvideo.com, so we can copy and paste that. Go back into Facebook here. Bring this over. Paste in localgoldvideo.com, and the page name was called Facebook. Remember that? So we put that in there. Save and exit. Now this button is programmed. It's as simple as that. When you open it again, you can always go to once you set it, it won't open from here. Go to domain page reset in case you want to use a different page in there, and you'll see it's still in there. Okay? So we'll just exit without saving. It's already saved. Now let's say your client's first name is James Morgan. His business is Seafood Delight. Let's just say that's the name of his business. Phone number is 222-222-2222, whatever. His address is, let's just call it Seafood seafooddelight.com, and the client's email is James at seafooddelight.com. Now the video code, since we're marketing Facebook, you can use any YouTube video, whether it's a video you record and put on YouTube, or any YouTube video at all for your marketing efforts. So over at Facebook, and I'll pull this in, Facebook for Business. Okay, I found that on the official Facebook channel, and you'll see the URL is right there, www, right? Always in the URL, you'll see a, I can get rid of this here because this is just additional branding. Okay. Everything after the question mark V equals that first set of numbers. That's the video code that you want to copy. Video 1 section. Okay. And over here, let's say you talk to him on the phone, or you got his name from his website. You can put any comments or information here that you want. So header comments, I'm just going to say, good morning, Jim. Nice talking to you on the phone today. I'm going to stick that in the comments, okay? And then the PS comments will be at the end. Call for more information. You don't want them to call, you want them to email you or something, you can do that too. And video comments is, and we know it's a Facebook marketing video, so I'm going to put everybody in business needs Facebook. Let's capitalize that. Okay. In my personal information, we got to put all the information about your business, okay? So let's do that. Okay, I got Eric Larson, magic push button. I'm going to put my phone number in there too. Oops, I got equal sign in there. That doesn't work. Okay, and magicpushbutton.com. my email address. You can put ClickBank ID. Actually, in the YouTube button here, you can sell them what's called the traffic player, and I'll get more into that later. But you can sell ClickBank products to the client directly and not even do SEO work to them. They like the ClickBank product you have, they buy it, and you got a sale for yourself. When you're doing mobile, SMS, text number, text ID, miscellaneous, save and exit. Okay, and now you're good to go. We got all our variables filled in here. And remember, it's James Morgan. We're going to hit the magic push button because we want to check the page out before we send it to them. And that's why you hit this button. Also, when you create this page, the URL here it's created is saved on the clipboard. And that's important because you need that to email them. All right, and here's what the page looks like. Let me center this a little more. Okay, helping local businesses, social media marketing, modernizing your marketing systems. Okay, Facebook business, a dream come true. Good morning, Jim. You notice his name is in there. Nice talking to you on the phone today. I already typed that in, right? And then here's his last name, his company name, and I can put, this is different. I'm going to actually change that around. I'll say Jim Morgan there. The time and date was sent. Here's his name again, Dear James. My name is Eric Larson. You notice I didn't print any of this before Magic's push button. I created something just for you. Simple James. I feel so strong about this. I was looking at your website, seafooddelight.com. That was put in by the magic push button. Notice you didn't have a Facebook fan page. Actually, I can't blame you. Blah, blah, blah. You can read this on your own. All these companies use Facebook, etc., social proof. And then that video ID that I put in here went into this player. So this is the video here he's going to watch.
How do you build your business?
And this one happens to be a really nice one for Facebook. Okay, you can watch that on your own too. So he watches that and sees why Facebook is so good. Some more information. At the end, here's the number I put in. Remember that information I put in about myself. And there can be a form here. Actually, this will be removed and it will be a information about you and how they can contact you. And I typed this wrong right here. All right, we can go back to our software and you can see more. I left the E out there. See, it was generated right from the Facebook. Now let's go into automatic marketing just for a second. And you see this is where all your records are kept. You can search by client or business name here and find your client. But look at over here. I got my client is Mr. Morgan, and somewhere I left his name out. Hang on a second. Let's X out of this here. Client full name, that's why. See, I put his last name there. It's really here, his client first name. You see that? And here's client full name. So you got to do it again. Sometimes we call him by his full name. So let's just create that page again and look at the corrections. Okay, you'll see James Morgan is here now, his full name, or Janes. See, I gotta watch my spelling. It's a good way to, that's why you check these pages. It's good errors, okay? That's funny. And at the end, okay, you'll see everything is in here. Okay, my phone number, his email, etc. And again, you can create your own pages. These are the ones I designed for you that work very well. And they come included with the system. All right, so go back to our software. Let's get rid of this page so we don't have a million pages open. And go back to our records. So right there you can see James Morgan, right? We marketed Facebook to him, right? So let's say we wanted to market these other pages, YouTube, Twitter, okay? All these other pages, as you market to them, there will be checks put into these boxes here. Okay, so let's say you you reset the above variables. Okay, let's just clear them out. They're cleared out, right? And you go and open your magic push button the next day. And you want to market to him again. So when you go back in, you know you did Facebook already. You go back in here, you'll see his name. Okay, James Morgan. What did we do? We did Facebook. Let's do a YouTube page today. So you'll hit his, double click his name. You see it's all propagated in here except his first name. You got to put that back in. Then you click the YouTube button. Okay, YouTube is already programmed because you can look in here and it's got localgovideo.com and there's the YouTube page. Okay, and we click off of this and you can hit the magic push button and market to them YouTube services. Now the next thing that you need to do after you do this Facebook page that we did, right, you have to email your client. Simply click on email client. I don't have this one programmed in here, but the email client opens Outlook. Okay, and you need to program that into your email. I'll even show you how to create your own pages on your own blog. So basically, you'll be able to market them any type of service or any angle. And then one of the most beautiful things about this here again is that it keeps track of all your records that you can search for and market to them over and over again. So you're not losing track of who your clients are and what you're trying to do for them. All right. I hope that explains everything, Gail, and answers your questions. Certainly, any others have your subscribers send me an email what they like, and I'll be happy to assist them. So I am looking forward to a few reviews from your subscribers, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.